What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy Doitjack, and I'm back in the mix. I'm back in action, and this is WhatsYoHustle. Well, hustling's a way of life, and by hustle, I'm talking how you survive through life every day. I wasn't able to post on Friday because I was actually in Austin. You feel me? Where they blowing motherfuckers up out there. I was in Austin, and you know what I'm saying, I was at the South by Southwest, that little event, you know what I'm saying, for the past weekend. So I wasn't able to post Friday. But it's all good because your boy is right here and I'm in action. You feel me? I'm ready to chop up some good science. This video here is how to build confidence if you're a young hustler. You feel me? Now I'm going to try to keep this real quick and straight to the point. Number one, building confidence has a lot to do with self-esteem, obviously, right? So everybody can be a little bit more confident. Some motherfuckers can't. Now, let me not say everybody. Some people are too confident, you know what I'm saying? They need to chill the hell out. But here's a couple of quick things that you can do to build confidence. For number one, you know what I'm saying, for my fellas or for your girls or for my ladies out there, you know what I'm saying, is go get a haircut if you're a dude, you know what I'm saying? Go get your hair done if you're a female. You feel me? Fellas, you know what I'm talking about, right? You know when you get that fresh cut, you know what I'm saying, you're looking good, got your line looking all crazy, looking all good. You know, like you might just only have to go to the grocery store, but you want to put on a fresh pair of shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like just because your haircut look good, you're like, damn, shit, let me throw on a nice pair of shoes. You feel me? Let me throw on this nice shirt. You know what I'm saying? You want to look good. Because when you look good, you feel good. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and get the haircut, stay fresh, stay crisp, you know what I'm saying? Looking good, looking right. Also, dressing well, you know what I mean? It'll help your confidence. I used to, like, when I first started this WhatsYoHustle thing, I would go to networking events. And I'll always pop up in, like, you know what I'm saying, like a little suit and tie, or I'll have something very casual. And people address you differently. You know what I'm saying? Like, folks will be like, hey, how you doing, sir? I'll say, hey, sir, how's it going? You feel me? But when I have regular clothes on, they be like, oh, what up, bro? What's happening? You feel me? Type shit like that. So when you know what I'm saying, if you get you a nice, sophisticated look, it actually helps you feel better and people will react to you differently, which is why a lot of course, you know what I'm saying, they want you to go to job interviews when you're nice and dressed because it kind of gives off a different type of energy. It's a certain level of business, sophisticated look, you know what I'm saying? And that energy kind of, it feeds off to people when you look a certain way. So, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and look good. Secondly, I think this one is very important. I used to be a boxer. Well, I fought in the amateurs, you know what I'm saying? I never fought pro. But the main reason why I wanted to like try boxing is because I slick had some insecurity about what my hands look like. You know what I'm saying? Because growing up, I never really got into a whole lot of fights. I'm not saying that it's necessary for you to get into fights, but it is necessary for you to know if you have the ability to defend yourself, right? So, you know, I got into boxing and, you know, I was like one of the biggest dudes in the gym. I'm like 6'4" right now. I'm heavy as hell. I'm like 238. I stepped on a scale this past weekend. I was like, God damn, I'm heavy as hell. It's the biggest I've ever been. But anyways, it wasn't a lot of dudes in my weight class, you feel me, that I could box with. So I had to fight pro dudes. You know what I'm saying? So I'm in the ring. I'm in there with pro dudes, you feel me? Not winning, I ain't gonna say I won, but after, you know what I'm saying, I came out the ring after sparring with them or whatever, I was like, damn. Like I just went head to head with some pro dudes who've been fighting for years, and I'm just fresh in the game, been fighting for a few months or whatever, you know what I'm saying? When I first got started. But that threw my confidence through the roof, man. Let me tell you, bro, when I stepped into that ring, you know what I'm saying, I was up there throwing shots with some dudes who really been in the game heavy, and I didn't come out knocked out, teeth was all straight, face was still looking good. I'm like, bro, I can really do this, man. So, hey, man, I'm not telling you to be a boxer or nothing. You ain't got to go to that type of extreme because you got to be a little bit crazy to want to step in the ring and throw punches with a nigga. But do something as a challenge. You feel me? Boxing was a huge challenge for me. You know what I'm saying? Now my hands is good. Like I ain't worried about nothing. You feel me? My hands is good. So do something that's a challenge to yourself, something that you never did before, and try to accomplish a goal within that. Next thing, what I just alluded to earlier, your boy is 6'4", like 240 right now. You feel me? This is the biggest I ever been. You know what I'm saying? You can gain confidence by working out and getting in shape. You know what I'm saying? I've been telling y'all for a while, Wendy's been fucking your boy's stomach up. Feel me? Like right now, goddamn, my lap is having a conversation with my belly button and shit. You know what I'm saying? So get in shape. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually finna get on this fast. You feel me? I'm finna get on like some fruit smoothies fast. Y'all gonna see me in a couple months like, damn, boy, you looking real skinny. You feel me? But whatever. Get in shape, man. That'll help your confidence. So a lot of y'all just went to spring break or are going on spring break soon. You was probably at the beach. A lot of y'all fat mugs ain't want to take your shirt off. I mean, let's just be honest. You ain't want to take your shirt off, bro, because you just don't look that good. You can eliminate that. Go ahead, hit the gym, get you some work in. You feel me? The next thing is setting goals and being somebody who gets shit done. Now, when you set a goal for yourself and you actually achieve that goal, your confidence will go through the roof because now you're becoming somebody who is able to get things done. You want to be somebody who gets things done. I've been saying that for the longest on a lot of these videos. Be somebody who gets shit done. Don't just sit and talk about a lot of shit. Organize something, right? My senior year in high school, I remember I threw probably the biggest damn party on my street, on my block. You feel me? Like for that whole year, I probably had the biggest party, bro. You feel me? But a lot went into it. I had to organize people. I had to promote. You know what I'm saying? I had to find a place. You know what I'm saying? I had to make flyers. I had to do all that. But I did it. And when I threw the party, I'm talking about cars up the whole block. It was crazy. Motherfuckers started fighting at my damn party my senior year in high school, you feel me? But I had the bumping motherfucking party where we was balling out. You know what I'm saying? That right there helped me to gain some confidence that, damn, I can really organize and put things together. You feel me? I got shit done. Getting shit done will make you more confident in yourself. All right? Now, recap, just real quick recap. Looking good, feeling good, you know what I'm saying, will help your confidence. Get you a haircut. Go get your nails done if you're a lady. Go get you a new outfit. Just look good, get in shape, you know what I'm saying? Try something new. Challenge yourself. Like I said, I was a boxer, you feel me? My first fight ever, I was scared as hell. I was scared like a little hoe. Heart was like this. You feel me? But I stepped in the ring, you feel me? Was throwing them shots, knocked the dude out in the first round. I'm like, damn. You feel me? This left hand, I could really throw something, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, challenge yourself and, you know what I'm saying, set goals for yourself and get things done. All of this is about growth and development because you know if your boy is coming on this camera, I'm going to come with something constructive that could really help you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm not doing this for bullshit, you feel me? I do like the views. I do want to get the views up, but a lot of this is really genuine help, bro. And I know that you can see it and you can hear it when I'm talking to you. Appreciate everybody for hitting me up on the IG. If you followed me, I thank you. You feel me? We're about to hit 4,000 subscribers on the channel. You know what I'm saying? I need more. 4,000 more. You feel me? 4,000 more, man. Everybody needs to hear this good science, man, because it ain't a lot of real niggas out here who gonna really give you that information, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you search a lot of topics of shit that I talk about, it's gonna be some real phony bullshit. It's not gonna be nobody who gonna give you that real, man. So that's what I bring to the table, man. It's your boy Doitjack, man. Go ahead and follow your boy at WhatsYoHustle1. At WhatsYoHustle1. You feel me? At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a quick clip of my weekend, some things that we did. And yeah, man. Again, I'm your boy Doitjack. Oh, it's been a minute, but if you a hater, fuck you, bitch. It's your boy Doitjack. Get at me.
My nigga goddamn WhatsYoHustle behind the goddamn camera. Yeah, I could give you plenty reasons why we about to run the streets. I could give you plenty reasons why the shooters cuff the heat. I could give you plenty reasons why your bitch gon' come with me. I could give you plenty reasons, I could give you plenty reasons. You turn up to the max, and we don't need reasons. You turn up all the way, and we don't need reasons. I could give you plenty reasons why we about to run the streets. I could give you plenty reasons, I could give you plenty reasons.
I'm on that neck in that coattail. Give me the work in that coattail. Up in that thing and I skirt off.
Could give you plenty reasons why these bitches call on me. All this dripping sauce on me. They all wanna put their jaws on me. Fuck 'em.